Hey, YouTubes. Howdy. Gonna do a little bit of update on the 240 stuff, because it's been a while. As you can see, we moved the fuse box here. Put a new harness in the lower side. Got a coolant overflow. And I'm going back to a factory clutch fan. This is I had these Mishimoto ones here. And in like really hot weather, they just weren't enough. So unfortunately, I'm saying bye-bye to these. So we're going to be painting some stuff here. Some dude in the painter's unit, I think. I got a fan shroud coming, and then once we paint everything up, everything's gonna go back in. Intercooler pipes, those are being painted too. And then I shouldn't have any issues with heating after I put this back in. Just like winter stuff I'm getting done here. Nothing really on the inside. Stock mirrors are back on, because I like those better, honestly, at this point. Right now, I think I'm gonna put the back seats back in. I'm just gonna see if I can make them fit with the harnesses. I can like get the back seats in and still be able to utilize these little eye bolts that are in here to use the harnesses so that no one dies. I gotta put this back over there where in that little corner, you know. So we're gonna be doing that. Fun stuff. I know I haven't really been posting a lot because there's just not much stuff to do, and it's getting cold out. And I'm kind of like at the end of the adventures with these cars. That I mean, like, I just don't have a lot to change, so like I don't want to just keep posting the same video over and over and over. Obviously, been having a lot of fun with the KTM. Once everything's all painted up and the intercooler pipes are painted, the valve cover is nice and shiny and clean and all that good stuff, and just everything's gonna be like OEM, like just will work, so I don't have to worry about a thing. Hopefully by spring, this car is gonna be the way that I've always wanted it. What's up, everyone? I'm on my way to Joey's to check up on the painting. We're probably gonna head into Chinatown, get this cool place called Tito. They got really cool like drinks and like tea and all that stuff, so we're gonna go do that. But hopefully, he's probably made some progress on it, I'd assume. He's got a really cool concept of what it's gonna look like, so I'm excited to show everyone that once it's done, it's gonna make my car look a lot better. Everyone, update, we got the Joey's. It's got some paint going on. These are some nuts. Really dull, they're nuts. And some, you know, my washers. That's a black fan. Black fan. Yeah, dude.
Word of advice, if you do wrinkle paint, you need a heat gun, or else it will not dry properly.
Yeah, so spray some layers like onions and ogres and Shrek, and hit it with that heat gun. And then that's going to be all painty boy. Look mad good.
I'm going to do a lot of sanding on this. Going to make sure everything is perfect. It's like a mirror finish. It'll be tit.
Tit. You heard that first. Concept of what it's going to look like when it's done. So that's going to look nice in my bay, plus all the OEM plus stuff I'm going with. So things going to run tit and look great. So that's all I care about. Oh, can't forget the OEM cracked boy. Yep, that's going to be fixed. You won't even see it. Maybe you will, I don't know. We'll find out. Go get some goodies in Chinatown. See you there. Alright, here's the reveal of my new paint color. It's got that sparkle. Just kidding. I'm gonna get some of that good, some of that good. Oh, that was a good sip.
Tension spans. It's like nothing, dude.
What the fuck?
Yeah, perfect line of views.
Dude, is that some JDM shit? Yeah, so we're here in the Chinatown. If you guys never been here, oh fuck. This is really good, come get it. Yeah, I mean, just saying, I took the S14 in because it just looks so good in Chinatown. Oh, hey, there we are. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the night. But we're going to wrap up, and then next time you will see all that stuff painted probably, and then the new stuff installed on the SR. So, talk to you soon.